Hey guys, today let's learn how to retrieve our Instagram account if it got hacked. So if in the case that you have a hacked Instagram account and you have been waiting for decades for the Instagram support team to get back to you in order for you to retrieve your account, but they just doesn't do any more action and they just take a whole lot of time, what you can actually do, which is a more faster way, is to hire an ethical hacker. So ethical hackers are just basically hackers, but they do it in a more ethical and moral way. So instead of hackers actually having this bad stigma to them that they do this illegal stuff and stuff like that, ethical hackers are just the other side of the picture. So you could actually go on freelancing platforms like Upwork and then do a quick search for these ethical hackers on here. There are actually lots of freelancing platforms that has ethical hackers like them, and can actually go ahead and hire them, and depending on what you guys would like to do, they can definitely offer that to you. Just go ahead and try to contact them and see if they can do the job, and from there you could easily have access back to your Instagram account. As you would see, they do specialize in cybersecurity, penetration, and stuff like that, so basically you could go ahead and avail their services so that they can also give value to whatever you ask them to do. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.